Welcome to Future X Counts YouTube channel. (2025) Volvo Camper Van. A vision of luxury, safety and sustainability. Volvo is stirring up excitement with rumors of a 2025 camper van, a motorhome concept that promises to combine Scandinavian design, advanced safety, and eco-conscious innovation. This vision reflects Volvo's core values, offering travel that's luxurious, progressively sustainable, and unmistakably Volvo. Exterior and design. Reports describe a sleek, aerodynamic body, finished in glossy metallic paint, with clean lines and black accents, emphasizing both elegance and fuel efficiency. Volvo's minimalist Scandinavian aesthetic shines through. Powertrain and performance. Though not confirmed, speculation centers around a hybrid or full electric drivetrain, possibly offering around 400 HP with a range between 250 to 400 miles per charge. Features may include all-wheel drive, regenerative braking, fast charging 80% in approximately 45 minutes, and even solar roof panels for supplemental power. Safety and driver assistance. True to Volvo's reputation, the camper van is expected to deliver top-tier safety features: semi-autonomous pilot assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, 360 cameras, and parking sensors. Interior and comfort. Luxury meets functionality within a thoughtfully designed interior. Features could include modular seating, a compact kitchenette, a comfortable sleeping area, a full bathroom, shower, toilet, sink, memory foam bedding, ambient lighting, a high-definition entertainment system, and natural wood finishes. Technology and connectivity. Expect an advanced infotainment system, possibly a 15-inch touchscreen with AI voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and 5G connectivity. Smart home-style controls for climate and lighting could enhance convenience on the go. Off-grid capability. Equipped for adventure, it may feature a lightweight yet reinforced chassis, high ground clearance, all-terrain tires, expandable pop-up roofs or slide-outs, and large-capacity fresh water and waste systems, designed for extended off-grid camping. Final thoughts. While Volvo has not officially confirmed the 2025 camper van, the accumulated speculation paints a compelling picture: a luxurious, sustainability-driven motorhome, blending Scandinavian elegance with Volvo's renowned safety and smart tech. It's the kind of vehicle that could redefine mobile living for adventurers who want comfort and responsibility on the road. Keep an eye on major auto shows or Volvo announcements for any prototype reveal. If it comes to life, it might just reshape expectations for luxury camping.